everybody, this is Zach over at the Edge Pro, coming to you with something kind of cool today. I have in front of me the Gold Cordless Master from Andis. I hardly believe it myself. We've been trying to get these for such a long time. We're excited to take one out of the box, show you what it looks like today. I know a lot of you are going to ask, so I'm just going to say it now. We do have a very limited quantity in stock today, but by the time you're watching this, that may or may not be true, so you can always call in and ask. Because of the very limited quantity nature of this product, they won't be listed on our website, so just call in if you are interested in getting one. But let's get to the fun part and let's take this out of the box here. I haven't actually fully taken one out of the box to see what it looks like in person, so I'm pretty excited. They definitely package this better than some of their other tools. Alright, and here we go. All freshly packaged for us. Still in the plastic. And here we have a Gold Cordless Master. Looks pretty slick from here. Take this off here, you'll see they even made an all gold finished blade for it. That's pretty slick right there. Let's see what else comes in our box. Alright, so here we've got your charging cord. We've got a set that looks like 5 attachment combs. And of course you have your blade oil there as well. And your weighted charging base. Now these are really nice because it is weighted, so you're not going to be worried about the tool falling over while it's in the base or having issues like that. And unlike the standard clippers, it also has your gold nameplate on there for you, and just slides in there just like that. As you can see, weighted base, not going to fall over on you. It's kind of a cool feature that they added with their new series of cordless tools. Pretty slick looking unit there, and just like your other cordless masters that you probably already got, it's going to function just the same, just in a new cool finish. We're excited to have some of these in, and I know all of you are excited to try and get one as well. Hopefully we can take out a few more clippers and do more videos like this. If you want to see those, make sure you subscribe to our channel and see what else we can get coming in for you guys.